1. Torres del Paine National Park, Chile. Towering granite peaks, turquoise lakes, and vast glaciers. The W Trek is an iconic 5-day route showcasing the park's dramatic landscapes. 2. Mount Everest Base Camp, Nepal. Panoramic views of the Himalayas and unique Sherpa culture. The 12 to 14-day trek to Everest Base Camp is a bucket list adventure for high-altitude trekkers. 3. Yosemite National Park, USA. Stunning granite cliffs, giant sequoias, and roaring waterfalls. The Half-Dome hike is a challenging yet rewarding climb. 4. Cinque Terre, Italy. Coastal villages, colorful houses, and breathtaking Mediterranean views. The Sentiero Azzurro Blue Trail links all 5 villages, perfect for scenic day hikes. 5. Banff National Park, Canada. Emerald lakes, towering peaks, and abundant wildlife. The Plain of Six Glaciers Trail offers jaw-dropping views of Lake Louise. 6. Milford Track, New Zealand. Lush rainforests, majestic fjords, and serene lakes. A 4-day journey through Fiordland National Park, ending at stunning Milford Sound. 7. Patagonia's Fitzroy Range, Argentina. Dramatic mountain spires, rugged wilderness, and pristine rivers. The Laguna de los Tres hike offers spectacular views of Mount Fitzroy. 8. Camino de Santiago, Spain. A cultural and spiritual journey through picturesque villages and rolling countryside. The French Way, Camino Frances, is the most popular route for this historic pilgrimage. Number 9. The Inca Trail, Peru. Ancient ruins, cloud forests, and a grand finale at Machu Picchu. The 4-day classic Inca Trail is a must-do for history lovers and adventurers alike. 10. Laugavegur Trail, Iceland. Volcanic landscapes, colorful rhyolite mountains, and steaming hot springs. The 4-day trek from Landmannalaugar to Thorsmørk is otherworldly.